What is today?
What ice cream? Chocolate?
Tuesday, February. Today is Tuesday, October.
March the 8th.
March the 8th. I guess
1994.
I don't know what's going on here. Let me look here in the.
I think you should stand out in the cold and view it.
Yeah,
That'll
that's
be
probably, yeah,
seriously.
that's what you
Can't
think.
see the snowflakes from out here. I'm in here.
I'll go out there in a little bit.
Yeah.
Well,
Because it's starting to snow again.
go out there and put the bearing in the bearing.
Just go stand out on the front porch.
I will.
See?
Programmed it in there. Let's see if it, make sure it shows up. I can see a little bit of snow there. You can see some traffic. Yeah. Whoops. Slow moving traffic. Let's try to get this, I must have got some on the lens. There we can see it a little better. That's whisking on by pretty good. Accumulating a lot too. Biggest snow I've seen in a while. Car's clipping by pretty good.
It's cold out there.
Yes, it is. Man in the blizzard here. He's a man in the wild. Looks like he's stuck in the snow. Come up here, Steven. Come up here, hon. Come up here, Bo. Whoa, he's down. Are you stuck? It's the abominable snowman. It's a snow creature. Quick, grab the women and the children. It's the snowman, the abominable. Where are you, Bo? I missed you.
Look at me, Bill! Look at me! Look at me!
Stevens is stuck in the snow.
Oh my gosh! Look at me! I'm swimming in snow!
Watch out. Hey, kiddo.
Swimming in snow!
Hey, guys. Hello.
You didn't get out there in cold weather?
Yeah, I'm doing great.
Bet.
Sacrifice for you squirrels. Come here, bees. Hey, look up here, Bo. Get a close up here. Hey, snowman. Hey, wait a minute. Whoa, stop. Let me see your face here. Uh-oh. Let me see your rosy red cheeks. There you go. When you gonna come in? Right before you, right before frostbite?
Huh?
You gonna come in right before frostbite?
No. See that?
Man, it's getting pretty. Getting too wet. Get this camera out. Don't put your finger over the.
I don't care.
Like that.
Hey, somebody slid off. Is it pretty clear?
Yeah.
Other than the white
Get a buzz freezing.
No. They're supposed to drop. Get these. See these trees over here, Nate?
Yeah, I got him. I got that snow too.
Here. Let me see real quick.
I got it.
Well, I can see the.
Let me drive. Just go.
You driving?
Yeah, go.
You got it zoomed back. Hang on.
Dad, if you want
That's
to
pretty. I want Mom to see these trees.
I wouldn't let Nathan steer unless you want to get his car and his bumper.
David, I drive better
Isn't
than
that
you
pretty?
do, and everyone's ever driven with me says it.
Oh, you guys, take it easy. Chill. He's doing all right.
Need to speed up a little bit. Damn, maybe there's
Folks, New Life Church.
turn this
Nathan,
off so
you're
you can see it.
better make a better door than window.
It's got a microscopic view. You're a dandruff.
New Life, and the board says praise the Lord.
These people are
Now I can't see anything because my son turned the windshield wipers off.
can't see anything.
Oh,
What's
yes.
going either.
Okay, we're
You gotta
gonna
get a camera shot of the empty lot.
Here we are in Psoriasis City.
So right.
Hominy, Oklahoma, with a early March winter storm. Bye, hon. See you after a bit. See if we can get going here. Woo! Barely. Well, this is getting tricky. Tricky, tricky, tricky. It's pretty. This tree's hanging over the road, so weighted down. Ah, avalanche, avalanche. Beautiful yards all drifted up. Oh man, it's pretty. This is right along Bird Creek at the north edge of Hominy. Not too far from Claude's grocery market, straight ahead. Snowing real soft. It's getting heavy and heavy, heavy, heavy. Turn left and head out to the house. On the way back to the house, some pretty trees. Traffic moving very slowly ahead.